Hey friends, if you wish to undo or reset, always use this app to open files option on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now let us assume that the default application to open this image is the Photos app. I would right click on it, select open, choose another app. I will select paint and then click on always. It says select an option to open this one. Now it will always open using paint. To reset this, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab and select default apps. Okay, now wait. Scroll down to this option here which says photos. Or okay, go to the photos app. Scroll down to the absolute bottom and you'll have to find the JPG app. Okay. Now this list is in alphabetical order. So here it is. It has been changed to paint. Click on this and select the, photos and set it as the default app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.